so cute.
I wish they had PBA cans. I know how to play.
Turn it off.
There we go.
Yep.
Went out pretty hot. There they go, 2 of them.
Oh.
Oh, it jumped out of the water that time.
Nice to have another man here today.
Hi.
I normally don't know what I'm doing at all. So what do you want to wear, that or your puddle jumper? And the girls are like climbing on her, and you guys are like, give her a break. She was really sweet. Oh,
Floating. Can Sophia touch? You can touch? You stand here.
how's their faces looking?
I mean,
Come on, Soph. You got your goggles on?
You want to jump with Sophia?
Whoa!
Come on. What? Belly flopper.
Charlie.
Put him on. Yeah. Put him on. Put him on.
Do you want to get a video with me?
That's actually pretty tough. Yeah. Come on. Come on. You want a hot dog, buddy? Going? No? You got pineapples? Boba tea.
Asking for the cat. What did you do with the cat?
Sophia needs to try. No.
Please. Please. I don't want to swim home.
Nope.
I don't want to swim home again.
Savannah.
I love vinegar.
Make fun of her. I'm like,
don't
what?
like it?
Salt and vinegar?
Sometimes I would just stock like Budweiser.
Well, that's
in
'cause
my
you have 2
fridge.
kiddos.
I actually
Sophia
like
just
this
has
better
her.
than Budweiser, I think.
Wrong, that one.
Richard's such a good dad.
I guess not.
Yeah.
She loves crabs.
Oh, nice.
It's a blue crab too. You can eat those. They're bigger.
Oh, do you want to hear your vacation?
But I wasn't even here.
Come on out. Sea monster.
Now, you, Sophie, this way. Come on.
Salted chip.
Rhode Island.
Dinner. Wear her thing though. You wanted
That's
to
enough.
martini bar, but they were closed.
Let's go.
Shower. We got a flower shower.
So, babe, I might get
clouds
the sunset.
pass, we
You
might
want to
get a
try and get
sunset.
some dolphins on the way home? Really appreciate you guys like being down for us.
Sophia loves to dance.
May I try that, please? Please.
We're good. We have plenty of time.
Okay, this is what Sophie's eating.